The wait is almost over. After years of rumors, spy shots, and endless speculation, Yamaha is finally gearing up to unleash the much-anticipated 2025 YZF R9. If you are a fan of super sports or simply crave that perfect balance between performance, style, and everyday usability, the R9 is set to hit the sweet spot. Built on the same 890 cubic centimeters CP3 inline triple engine platform that powers the Metricton 09 and the XSR 900, the R9 promises to deliver raw power with Yamaha's signature smoothness. Expect around 115 horsepower, but what really makes this engine special is the torque. It kicks in low, pulls hard through the mid-range, and sings all the way to the red line. Perfect for the street, thrilling on the track. Yamaha hasn't officially revealed the specs yet, but we are expecting the R9 to slot right between the R7 and R1 both in terms of price and performance. And that's what makes it exciting. The R7 is great, but a bit tame for some. The R1, an absolute beast, but maybe too much for everyday riding. The R9 could be the perfect middleweight, aggressive, but still accessible. As for design, you can bet Yamaha will go all in with sharp, aerodynamic bodywork inspired by MotoGP. We are talking full fairings, LED lighting, a sculpted fuel tank, and a sleek tail section. It'll look fast even standing still. On the tech side, Yamaha is likely to equip it with a full-color TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, traction control, and possibly even a quick shifter and cornering apps. It's expected to come with fully adjustable suspension and top-notch brakes, just what you need for carving canyons or tearing up a track day. Rumor has it the official unveiling could happen by late summer 2025, with availability in showrooms soon after. As for pricing, experts suggest it could land somewhere between $10,000 and $12,000, very competitive considering the package. So, should you wait for the R9? If you want a serious sport bike with real-world power, stunning looks, and modern tech without going full superbike, then absolutely. The Yamaha YZF R9 could be the game-changer the middleweight segment has been waiting for. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Motomotion for more updates, and let me know in the comments, is the R9 your next dream ride, or are you sticking with the R7 or R1? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.